Valavonica, Rua Dois do Bairro da Concordia. I'm just walking these old streets of Macau, walking in the Bairro da Concordia. Rua Dois do Bairro da Concordia. Oh, Bairro da Concordia. Streets of Macau. Oh, the streets of Macau. The lovely, interesting streets of Macau. I'm just walking in Macau.
Okay, here's a little Bairro de Concordia. So we're going to be filming this particular street right here. That's pretty cool. And down this way is actually Travessa de Concordia. Kind of has a nice little texture to it. Okay, so that's going to be our target street right there. We'll see what's here. I think it's going to be a lot of like mechanics and stuff like that. And then there's also that little thing down there, so we might actually go down there first. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Rua Dois do Bairro de Concordia. So let's go check this out first. I think this one looks like there's a little place to eat right here. Let's see. I think this whole area is the Concordia area. The Concordia. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go to the right, and that's gonna be our target street. And I'd like to give a little context. In Christ the Church in Macau. Let's see what this is all about here. Got some shade on this side of the street. Actually, these are kind of interesting right here because they have some big long balconies right here. This one even has like some plants out front. But I think in general this is very industrial. I'm gonna walk to the other side because I think it might be more interesting. Check out that old car. Some kind of cool looking cars. So yeah, this area looks like they're yeah, a lot of car shops and some interesting ones at that. Yeah, this whole area kind of has stuff like that. Dois do Bairro de Concordia. So this is the second street of the Concordia neighborhood. Goes all the way to the waterfront right there. Dois. I don't know why they named them this way, but they gave it like a street like Dois, and is 1 and Dois is 2. Car Beauty, all these kind of car shops. I hear a lot of birds in here. I don't know where those birds are coming from. Okay. We're gonna walk into the street a little bit. There we go. Now we can see both sides easier. Home food. On this side we have more. Actually, this whole street has a lot of car mechanic shops. But I don't think I've ever filmed this street. I've been looking to see streets that I haven't filmed. And unless you're getting something done with your car, it's unlikely that you'll come up here and frequent the street. It's kind of cool, that yellow one. Okay. Keep on going down. Come beauty. You can see this kind of wall of apartments straight ahead. Barbershop over there. Global transport, but the rent's probably really low in here. Okay. So yeah, there's kind of a wall of apartments straight ahead. Yeah, we got a supermercado straight ahead. Big grocery store. So there's definitely a neighborhood here. You can see all the apartments everywhere. Must be convenient to have your car work on in here. That's like a cool little restaurant right there, right in the corner. It's really cool. And that goes all the way to the waterfront if I go straight ahead. Supermercado. And then right over there is the old racetrack for dogs. So this is what the street looks like. Linear video right there.